Hello there, everyone. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 estate planning mistakes farmers and ranchers make and how you can avoid them. So, farming and ranching is more than just a livelihood, it's about preserving a legacy and a way of life. Unfortunately, many farmers and ranchers fail to create a comprehensive estate plan or any estate plan at all. Without a proper estate plan, the family farm or ranch, passed down for generations, can end up being sold and converted to non agricultural use, cutting the family's legacy short and ending their unique lifestyle. So, let's talk about 3 common estate planning mistakes farmers and ranchers make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1 is failing to plan. As a farmer or rancher, you have distinct estate planning needs. You may have children who want or do not want to continue the farming or ranching business. You have to consider who should inherit your land, equipment, livestock, accounts, and other property while trying to keep things fair and equal. As a result, you may be unable to decide what to do and end up doing nothing at all. Fortunately, many estate planning options are available that will help you fulfill your ultimate goals for the future. To preserve what you have and leave it to the next generation, you need to work with a team of experts, including attorneys, accountants, bankers, insurance specialists, and financial advisors who are familiar with the nuances of estate planning and its intersection with farming or ranching legacies to ensure that the plan will work as anticipated when it is needed. Mistake number 2 is relying on joint ownership. You may believe that the easiest way to avoid having your loved ones go through the probate process at your death is to own your property jointly with them. However, transferring all or part of your farm during your lifetime may have unintended consequences. For example, farmland or ranch property that is jointly owned and enrolled in programs administered by the United States Department of Agriculture may result in subsidies being left on the table. In addition, joint ownership causes you to give up control and unilateral control of your real estate. Someone added as a joint owner to your account or property can make decisions about it. They may withdraw money from the account without your knowledge or consent. They can also prevent the property's sale if they disagree with your decision to sell. Your co-owner's creditors may also be able to go after jointly owned accounts and property. Unlike other planning options, joint ownership may not be easy to change since undoing joint ownership can have significant costs and tax implications. Holding real estate in the name of a business entity, corporation, a partnership, or a limited liability company, or a trust is a better option as it allows you to minimize liability and retain control. Mistake number 3 is overlooking liquidity needs. Incapacity, the inability to manage your own affairs, and death are expensive life events and often require cash to pay expenses. However, farmland and farming equipment are not easily converted to cash. Without properly planning for immediate and long-term cash needs, your family may be forced to quickly sell land and equipment for pennies on the dollar. You have several options when creating a plan to manage debt and expenses during your incapacity or after your death. Financial advisors, bankers, and insurance professionals can assist with securing lines of credit and the proper amount of disability, long-term care, and life insurance to prepare for the unexpected. Attorneys can assist by creating life insurance trusts, business entities, and other more complex plans. So we understand that farmers and ranchers require specialized estate planning solutions. A team of advisors, including attorneys, accountants, bankers, insurance professionals, and financial advisors, can assist you in creating and maintaining a plan that will preserve your legacy and unique way of life. So you want to work with a firm that's experienced in supporting farmers and ranchers with achieving your estate planning goals. So please reach out to a qualified estate planning attorney that practices in the state in which you reside in order to talk to them more about your unique estate planning needs. I want to thank you for watching. I'm Kelly Longtin. Please like and subscribe and hit the notifications button. And look forward to seeing you on our next video so you can learn more about estate planning and the benefits it has for your family. Thank you for watching.